The National Electrical Code, or NEC, prohibits the use of permanent extension cords under a grease exhaust hood. According to NEC Section 400.8a, flexible cords and cables shall not be used as a substitute for the fixed wiring of a structure. Furthermore, NEC Section 400.8b specifies that flexible cords and cables shall only be used for the following purposes: firstly, to connect pendants; secondly, wall-mounted appliances; and thirdly, portable appliances to their supply. Grease exhaust hoods present a unique hazard because of the presence of grease and other flammable materials. Extension cords are not designed to withstand the high temperatures and vibration often found in these environments. As a result, they can become damaged and pose a significant fire hazard. Additionally, extension cords can create a tripping hazard, especially in high-traffic areas such as kitchens. However, the NEC does allow for the use of appliance cords under grease exhaust hoods if they meet specific requirements as detailed in NEC Section 422.16b. It is important to note that appliance cords are typically shorter than 6 feet and are designed for specific appliances, such as coffee makers and toasters. For digital timers in your customers' stores, the recommendation is to use a hard-wired connection instead of extension cords. This is considered the safest and most code-compliant solution. Therefore, it is crucial to adhere to these guidelines to ensure electrical safety and compliance with the NEC.